Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to sketch mountain areas which is covered with a freezing snow ice. Now for that please take it to your shading pencil. Here is our shading pencil and our paper. You can take it in standing mode or a sleeping mode, it depends upon you. Now we are going to do color. We are going to start. Here few mountains. I'm going to show a few ranges. One house at a lower area, at a ground area. Light toning at the downside. For door, make it dark. Make it straight line for showing the land. Now few bushes at the side view. Both the side. Going to make it a pine tree. Again few bushes. Again farly a one small pine tree. Few mountains, ranges, and few cracks. Few slipping mode shadings inside. At the right corner, all the mountains should be covered with the right mode. Even at the downside. Now one more big house. Covering towards land. Make it light tone at the downside. Light tone standing mode in the walls of the house. One door covered with a dark toning. Again dark toning at the roof. Here my house is done. Now I'm going to make it a pine tree at the back of a house. At the side, few fences covering the house, again few snow by giving a light tone, again one fences at a side, now few light tone and the sky, showing the freezing atmosphere. One man standing in the snow. Here we made it our landscape sketching. You can make it by your own self. Thank you, friends.